Yeah, taking psych classes though helps because.
So, what's your name and what organization do you represent?
My name is Chikezie Ejiasi. I'm a senior product designer at Google Daydream.
So Google, what does your organization do?
Oh, a lot of stuff. Yeah, we work on a lot of things. Yeah, you know, our main product is being able to search the internet. But the product that I work on, Daydream, is a VR product, virtual reality.
Wow.
So we make mobile VR headsets that you can wear on the go.
So you're a UX designer. What's the difference between UX and UI?
UX stands for user experience. UI stands for the user interface. And user experience is the journey that a user will take, a person will take from A to B in a product. The user interface is the visuals or the things that get you from A to B.
Are Blacks and Latinos underrepresented in the design process?
I definitely think so. I've worked on quite a few teams in my career, a lot of different companies. When I can count the number of Black and Latino designers I've worked with on one hand, it's unfortunate.
Why is it important to have diverse perspectives during the design process?
When we take in consideration different types of users, the product is inevitably better. When you're designing something and you don't have enough cultural context, meaning you don't know how somebody might use this product that you've never met before, you're gonna miss something. So it's always important to, when you're designing a product, to make sure that not only do you have representation from multiple cultures, but you're also considering what their goals are and how they might be different.
What can Black and Latino youth do to get involved with UX or UI design?
There's a lot of different types of designers out there. We only talked about the UX and the UI. There's motion designers, people that just focus on the motion. There's audio design. All right. Believe it or not, there's a lot of communities out there, a lot of online resources today that help guide you in the right direction of what you want to do next. So if you want to make a mobile app or you want to make a website for yourself, spend time practicing. Spend time making something, just anything. You know, it doesn't have to be the best thing, just make something.
As an African-American teenager, and I want to pursue a job in tech, I go through a lot of validation issues because we're so underrepresented. What can you do to counteract that feeling of, am I supposed to be here? Am I supposed to be doing this?
Yes. In our culture, there's a lot of unsolved problems. And I think when you bring that stuff to the table, you bring that unique perspective. And that's really needed right now. So yes, you belong here. And two, we need you to bring the problems in our community to the forefront. We need you to bring these to these companies to help them understand what we're missing. I ask this question whenever I'm interviewing somebody. I ask the same question. What do you want to learn next?
So I took an intro to psychology course this past semester
at
College of Alameda. And I've always been interested in how the brain works. And I'm also interested in languages. Because you got programming and then you have sign language. I think I'm interested in communication. Communicating.
There you go. What is something that you would love to see Google do, or something that you feel like I could take back?
I'd want you to tell everyone at Google that we need to be doing more with diversity and inclusion. We need to be doing more, and we need to be reaching out more. Because you guys could be doing everything, but it's not enough. Because you're still not reaching that one kid that doesn't have a computer and that doesn't have that television to understand, and they don't have that library card to read everything. So I think figuring out how to reach that one kid is the most important.
Will do. Will do.
So thank you for coming out. It was amazing talking to you. You really had my mind just working.
Yeah, my pleasure. Thank you for having me.